Stop it. I said stop it.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Mom spaghetti. Smoke weed every day.
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Oh my god! No! Oh my
FBI, open up! What are you doing on computer? Go outside, so beautiful!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I am a potato. 2,000 years later.
Why you bullying me? Just do it!
Do you know the way? Do it.
A surprise, to be sure, but a welcome one.
I don't like sand.
Here we go!
Easy.
Ta-da!
Mining away. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. That's what she said.
Nope.
Stop right there, criminal scum. Where's the lamb sauce?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Yeah, boy!
Hey, that's pretty good.
legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
My name is Jeff. Ginger people do have souls, all right? He's a ginger. He's a ginger. Ah.
Bruh. What do I do, Lord?
Destroy the child. Corrupt them all.
This is their plan, people. These are demons.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Minecraft is my life. I be flossing. I be flossing.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Gloria Borger here, to give you guys the hottest news, the freshest news, the most reliable news source of all time.
XD.
England is my city.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Now look at this net that I just found. What's your profanity?
I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. What a story, Mark.
Where's the lamb sauce?
LeBron James.
I'm going to jail! Girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot.
I have crippling depression.
It's high noon.
Psych! That's the wrong number! How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away.
Yeah.
Snoop Dogg! You know what happened with the D.R.E.? The thing goes grrrr, skitty kit pop pop, and the poop poop grrrr, boom.
Ooh, stinky.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Hit or miss? I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I am a jelly bean.
Hit or miss? I guess they never miss.
Scum. Stop right there, criminal scum.
These nuts. Breakfast.
These biscuits.
We need to build a wall.
21.
it's so beautiful!
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Oh my god! No way! Oh my $3.99.
Why are you running? Why are you running? That's a lot of damage.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Enemy spotted.
Bye, Felicia.
Why you bullying me?
2,000 years later.
All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
6.5 hours later.
Just do it!
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Happy feet! Bravo combo! That ain't Falco! That ain't Falco!
What's the recommended amount of dedicated RAM I should have to the server?
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank. Ta-da!
I don't feel so good.
Easy.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus.